Hey everybody, Sarah here, back with another monthly plan with me. I don't know why I can't say it the same way as a weekly plan with me, but whatever. Anyway, someone is messaging me. Okay, alright, so, for March, I'm going to be doing one of our March monthly kit, which I didn't go for St. Patrick's colors or green or anything like that, just because I really felt like bringing spring into it because it's been wintry and cold and I'm tired of it. So anyway, I'll get started on this. Lots to get done. I've kind of been slacking the last few days. I don't know. My husband flies in today. He just got on his flight, so he'll probably be here in like 6 or 7 hours. And I'm pretty excited about that. So, but also I gave notice for our apartment. Oh, yeah. And so basically, now they need to come inspect it tomorrow, and I'm just like, ugh, now I gotta clean it. Anyway, so it's tidy, but it's not clean, if that makes any sense. And so this month is really easy. It's just one giant sticker to cover up the old dates. And then that goes in the garbage. All right, so what else is quick? I love it's gonna sound like so egotistical, but I love the way my kits are set up, because it's like you got your headers and then you've got whatever stickers are supposed to cover the days that are not in that month. And then if you like lists, you can use this big giant list, and it's just like half the kit is like, there you go, half of your planning is done. Nice and easy and quick. So I love that. If I didn't film videos, I would not spend a lot of time planning in my planner in terms of like setting up the look of it. I would just be like slap them down right on top and be done with it. I mean, I love how pretty it all looks. It's just that I'm lazy and I want to watch Netflix, you know? So anyway, so that's why I love those, but it's like, boom, quick, it already looks pretty. You know, you can put the effort in to put all the little numbers down, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So let's just see what we got going on. So he comes down today, but it's the 1st, so I don't really need to put that in. Let's see. I will put I'm gonna have to think. Okay. He leaves on the 18th, so I'll put that one there and then cry and be sad. I mean, at that point, 2.5 weeks together, we'll probably be sick of each other, right? So, and then I think we're going to see my parents. Probably then. So I'll put that there. Oops, a little too far over. Whatever. And I don't think there's a lot of other crazy days. I will put this on the 30th because it's my mom's birthday. That's on the 30th. And then let's see what else we got going on. Pretty sure I can go ahead and put this International Day of Happiness. Ooh, in spring. Oh, that's not right. That goes up here. So we switch our clocks on the 11th of March. And of course, St. Patrick's Day on the 17th. On a Saturday too. Ooh, that's gonna be wild. Okay. And except it won't be too wild for us because he flies home on the 18th, so I guess we'll have a quiet night and we won't do anything crazy. Spring begins on the 20th. And Good Friday is the 30th, right? I guess it is. I think I just covered that up. So put that down there. And it's also my mom's birthday. So I will just put down, there's birthday stickers here, so I can put that down right there. Write it in a minute. And okay, so for half boxes and stuff like that, I have a doctor's appointment on the 5th, I think. I'll go check that. I wrote that down. And then I don't think I've made any other appointments. So I'll just check my calendar just to make sure that I haven't made any other appointments that I don't know about. And I think we're good. So, all right. So then that way I can do, since this is like Easter weekend, I'll probably travel home the day before. So I'll put that down for that. And I think that's probably it for those. Of course, bill due, rent was already due and it's already been paid. I don't think I even pay rent next month because in Canada, so I realized that like apartments and stuff is way different in the States than it is here. So like in Canada you do, or at least in Ontario, you do first and last month's rent when you initially rent the place. It's kind of standard. I don't think it's as standard in the US. There's like deposits, but not necessarily. Basically the deposit is our full rent payment, so I don't think I'm paying rent next month. But then I think I've got a bill due on the 13th to pay attention to. And I think that is it. All right, so I'm gonna do all the day guys, get those down, and then we'll get into straight into some pen as well. Numbers are down. I also want to I'm going to cover up one of these spots with like goals. Just to kind of try to keep things focused. We'll see how that goes. Who knows? But other than that, I can do my plan. Stickers. Which of course is always on Thursday, except when I'm really behind in the week, and then it is on a Friday morning and panicking. But I'm only a day late with my monthly. I'm gonna get this one edited, export it, vacuum and clean up the house, and get it up on the same day, and then film my weekly one as well. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna put down this doctor one for the doctor appointment on the 5th, and let's just see what we do. Okay. So I've only got 3 coffee stickers, but I think we all know that I have more coffee stickers hanging around somewhere. But I will put these down for some of these. Then I'll have to figure something out for the other one, which shouldn't be too hard. I was trying to find another coffee sticker somewhere. That may take some looking. Oh, wait. Oh. Nope. Alright, on those sheets. I'll get one later. And then date nights. So I don't think I'm gonna set a date night yet, or maybe we'll do like Tuesday night. Alright, I guess I'm setting it. We're making it Tuesday night. We're having a date night. Because it's cheap movie night. So let's do it. Alright. Okay, so then in that case, I will do pen sped forward, because that's probably all that I have left to do for now. So I couldn't think of a ton of things that I need to get done in terms of like to-dos and goals, but I'm sure I have a bunch. Anyway, I gotta put down stickers to invoice for Megan. So I'll just write down invoice so I don't forget. And yeah, like that's really it for this month so far. I'm not gonna get too crazy with deco because I got lots to get done today. But like retire winter kits. Anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment if you have. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you liked it. And we'll see you again next month. Or we'll see you for the next weekly kit spread. Bye!